please stay. You and we have moments left to share.
You and we can make it anywhere. You and we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever.
Each night I pray that we can be together once again.
Forevermore we'll stay in love this way, no matter